You know, Judge, I'd like to talk about the market as an index of optimism around the world. If people everywhere didn't think that the American way of life, the American people themselves, the democratic system, the American economy wasn't the best place to deploy capital, they wouldn't do it. And so we're in a very troubled time, and I get it. However, every day the world votes. Every day individuals make multi-million-dollar and $1 decisions, 1 cent at a time. And where do they vote for optimism in the future? America. That's why the markets are doing what they're doing. It's seeing through this. The market knows that we will solve these problems, as we always have, and move forward.
Is that, Jim Leventhal, what this is about? An ability to make a big bet on America and our future, regardless of what is right in front of us at this very moment, that is pulling at us emotionally? We're able to look past all of that, and that's why money continues to come into the stock market. You could have any number of reasons why you would wake up today and say this market should not be where it is, but yet we find ourselves saying that the Dow is higher by triple digits, and we're at the highest level still since early March.
I'm not quite as sanguine as my colleague Kevin. I'd like to be, but I'm just not. And look, the problem is that every day this market goes up, every single day. And frankly, nothing changes that much in a day. And as you're pointing out, Scott, if you look at the last few days, the changes have been to the negative. So the first rally off of the lows, the first 20 percentage points, I'll absolutely give you. That's human ingenuity, that we're going to beat this virus, that we're going to come out and restore ingenuity and entrepreneurialism. But now we're in the silly phase. The thing is, the silly phase can go on for a while. It's being fueled by ultra-cheap money, not just at the U.S. Fed, but across the globe. And I think the question is, okay, if it can go for a while and it defies logic, and it does to me, then what do you do? And I think this is where stock picking has to come in. And so we're looking, and I know you want to bring this up. If you want to bring it up now, we can. If you want to wait. But this value rotation, I think, has legs as people look and say, okay, well, what makes sense if we're not getting the second wave? Where is money? Where can money go that it makes logical sense that the valuation is too cheap? And the cyclicals, the small caps, the banks, energy, all ring true in that regard.
But Kevin O'Leary, if it's so clear to you why we are able to trade as a market where we are despite all of these issues that we know that we're dealing with, why is it that you're sitting on 20% cash as you suggest that others are coming to the U.S. market for whether it's safety and security and a positive outlook? Why are you in 20% cash?
Because I've made a secular change about my decision about real estate. One of the reasons people see the new, more productive, more profitable America 2.0 is that real estate is going to be one of the sectors that gets hurt. I don't need as much real estate. It was a third of my portfolio. I sold it down to 8%. I have a mountain of cash to put to work, and that's exactly what I'm doing. And Scott, I can choose any market on earth. I can put it to work anywhere as everybody else can. But where is the majority of it going? Into the American economy, because I have the confidence that ultimately it will solve for all the problems in front of us. I don't have to do that, and it doesn't matter how much money the Fed rains on the economy. If the world didn't think America can't right the boat, it wouldn't.